Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. I'm Melly from Melly Notions, and today I'm going to talk about Obsidian. If you're here to hear about Notion, I will discuss a few things at the end of the video regarding Notion. But today I just wanted to talk about Obsidian because I just recently, just last week, decided to finally see what it's all about, and I'm already obsessed, that so much that I haven't even been using Notion. Um, I'm not really going to go into my whole setup today. If you want to know about my setup, I will go ahead and discuss that. Let me know in the comments below if you do. But I do want to talk about something that I created today now. I was looking online, I couldn't find anything like this, so I had to do it myself. I'm not sure if it exists already for Obsidian, if anyone else has done it yet, but I have an app, a bullet journal app on my phone, and in the app, each day when you go to do a daily entry, you have prompts that you create. And those prompts, anytime you want, you can click on them and it shows each date your entries for that day, whatever you entered for that prompt. So I wanted to create something like that. I'll kind of show you what I mean. Now I'm going to leave the formula in the description below, so don't worry about that. Also, I will leave a few links to YouTubers that I found that helped me create my Obsidian setup because I had no clue what I was doing at first. So I'll leave probably the top 3 that I used, and you can just go ahead and follow their videos. They have a lot of information. But when it comes to the journal prompts, I had to come up with this on my own. Okay, so one thing you do want to have is the templater plugin. You also want to have your daily notes set up. So if you don't know anything about Obsidian, I would recommend first doing that. Just, type in a YouTube daily notes setup templater. I would also get daily view. And these are the plugins. So basically, I'll just go on this real quick. You go to community plugins, browse, and then find those. And then watch YouTube videos on how to set them up. But if you already are familiar with Obsidian, you probably already have those. So basically what I do is I go to my day. So I'm going to go to today because I've already entered in those journal prompts. And these are the prompts I entered in for today in my daily note. So when I go to journal prompts, I have a looking forward page, a focus page, a positive tone page, and a self-care page. So if I click on looking forward, you can see my journal entry for today is right here, and then I can click and even go back to the day here. I have 4 questions. You can change the questions however you want. You can add more if you'd like, but I just have these 4. What you want to do is go ahead and create each of those pages. So I have a journal answers folder, and I created a focus page, a looking forward, a positive tone, and a self-care page. Now it will be whatever you want to call those, but you'll have to change that in the formula if you change them. And then I created, and this is just optional, I created the main journal prompts page with the link to each of those pages. So I will just show you a demonstration really quick. If I click on, let me see, the 28th, I'm going to be prompted. What am I looking for today? I'm just going to type in what am I looking forward to? I don't know because today hasn't started. Friday hasn't started, but let's see. I'll just put TV show for now. I'm just going to put anything for now because I can delete it later. Main focus, I'm going to say updating Notion. How can I set a positive tone? I will say read Bible. And how do I plan to take care of myself today? I'm going to just put skincare day. So those were my prompts for Friday. What it's going to do now is it's creating the page for Friday. So this is my daily notes page for Friday. Those were my journal prompts. And if I go to the journal prompts page, I can click on each of those sections, and there it is, Friday TV show. And that's basically how it works. Like I said, I don't know if anyone's created anything like this yet, but I thought it's kind of neat. So why not? Why not share it with you guys? I just downloaded Obsidian on Thursday of last week. And so I can't even imagine what it's going to be like in a year, but like I said, there are some really great videos out there to really help you out. Now, as far as Notion goes, I have been ignoring updating the Notion period tracker template. I've been horrible about it. I know. I apologize. I did start it months ago. And I think I mentioned this before. I already updated on the new one I'm creating because I'm going to create a whole new template. It's going to be Notion period 3.0. But I do have it where there's a symptoms, mood section. If you have the period tracker, you know that. If you go in there, you can see there are just lines and lines and lines of relations and roll-ups. And the reason is because when I created it, they didn't have formulas 2.0 where you can pull in the roll-ups within the formulas. So what I did is I created just one simple formula, or maybe complex formula, and I got rid of all of those other formulas and relations and roll-ups. And also what you'll be able to do is create your own moods and symptoms. You don't have to use just the ones that I listed, even though there are quite a few in there, but now you can completely customize it. So I am actually going to put that on my to-do. So I don't know why there's an extra line right there, but let me put that on my to-do for tomorrow. And I can even do, let's see, how did it do that? So to create a to-do, I can do like this, or there's another way you can do it on here because I have the task plugin. Oops, I didn't do. What the heck is going on? What did I do? Okay. Okay. Update. I'm typing with one hand right now. Okay. And then to add a date, I can just say. Now I'm learning Obsidian, guys, so those who are very experienced, bear with me here. I'm still learning. I can go over to reminders, and there it is. And I can even add a time. Another way I can do this is I can, I have a hotkey. I believe it's Q. Yeah, no, that's a call out. Where's my hotkey? That's the only thing I gotta remember, my hotkeys. No, that's not it. Well, I forgot it. What the heck is that? Control V, maybe. There it is. And I can create a task in this way. But like I said, I'm not going to go into all of this unless you want me to, which I probably will end up making videos there. But that's it for today. I just wanted to tell you about the journal prompts. Let me know if there is already something like that. I was trying to find it. I couldn't. But yeah, I just thought I would share it with you guys. Hope you like this video. If you do, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already. And if you also like Notion, you can even check out Melly Notions on either the Notion template site or on Gumroad. Thank you and have a great day.